I'm looking at the legacy that I leave behind. When Neil Armstrong set foot on the moon in 1969, it wasn't just a giant leap for humanity. It was also the culmination of a huge amount of work by Johnson Matthey scientists. The pioneering teams that went before me designed components that powered the equipment on those missions, mixing hydrogen and oxygen inside a fuel cell to create a reliable source of energy. Today, fuel cells are being used a little closer to home for something just as important: decarbonising transport. They can be used in all sorts of vehicles, but work especially well for big trucks and buses where batteries get too heavy to be practical. And the amazing thing is, they can power these long-distance trips without producing any harmful emissions. In fact, the only byproduct is water that's clean enough to drink. JM produces components that sit at the heart of a fuel cell, the stuff that determines how well it will perform. That's what I help do, developing new membranes all the way through the development to really understand the product and how it works, and then take it through the scale-up phase and work out how to make the membrane at large scale. That's the crucial part, and how it will make a difference to the planet, making it work in the real world. Some days I'm in the lab looking at new technology, doing experiments, testing feasibility of new materials. Other days I'm working on a production line, looking at the scale-up of material, working with our operations, quality and process engineering teams. JM has a great culture of knowledge sharing and bringing scientists together. No one can make and industrialise these things on their own. Current membrane developments are really targeting better durability and lifetime and meeting our customer demand for heavy-duty trucks. And they're going to be out in vehicles within the year, joining the thousands of JM components already on the roads in places like China. JM's vision for a cleaner, healthier world focuses on the issues that are really close to my heart. That means driving down emissions and making all the processes and everything that we do much cleaner, much more sustainable. It means I can use my skills to help tackle climate change and protect the planet for my children and my children's children. I feel like I'm contributing something really positive and hopefully leaving the world in a better place than I found it. I'm looking at the legacy that I leave behind.